Hey guys, so I got a 2016 LG Gram laptop. It's giving some issues. To be exact here, the model number is 15Z960. So initially I knew the battery was dying because or the capacity was getting low, so I was planning to change that battery out. But before I got a chance to do that, I started getting another issue where the laptop was just going really slow, and then it blue screened a couple times, and then it just completely gave out. Well, not completely, but it doesn't boot up. It doesn't show anything on the screen. So I did put in a new battery. I installed a new CMOS battery. I unplugged a couple components just to rule out any of that. So here's the speaker unplugged, the keyboard's unplugged, the trackpad's unplugged, the other speaker's unplugged, the Wi-Fi card was unplugged. I haven't tried removing this DDR3 RAM, and even the screen, I unplugged that, and then I plugged it into an HDMI, and it does the same thing over and over. So I even tried getting a new laptop charger, 65 watt, right? So it shows it's powering on. You can see the light here, well, that it's charging. And let me show you what it does when I push the power button. 1 second. Okay, here it is, upside down. It's just the battery's not screwed in, so push the power button. And we got a light on there. That's pretty much all it does. So we have the lights over here. It's just the power one, but I think this is the hard drive activity light. That one doesn't ever come on. And then we do have power on the fan, which I have plugged in right now. If I unplug it, it'll still stay on, but I think it goes into like a power saving mode, which will kick the fan off. But it's still on. If you see here, the power button's on. And then right now I have the trackpad unplugged, but the trackpad light would also come on there if I had it plugged in. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas of what might be the issue here, or if it's just a motherboard issue, let me know.